running another preaching workshop from the 12th of June for 3 Thursday evenings. So if you want to hone in on your skill, or you want to grow in this and you want to preach more, then come along to get equipped and encouraged in your gifting. Come along from the 12th of June. You can book on, sign online, and come along to the preaching workshop.
Consume me with your light. I'm not alone. I'm not alone.
Hey men, our next event is coming up for the Courageous Men. Yes, it's going to be a foot golf experience at Hackney Green Golf Course, and we'd love you to join us on Saturday the 17th of May. It's going to be £10 and we're going to have a brilliant time together. So if you're interested in that, then please hop onto our website or onto Church Suite and book in for that as soon as possible.
One day, one church, all together in Together Festival 2025's 10 zones.
Where all generations can gather together to celebrate, imagine, and discover what God can do when we work together.
Bring your friends, bring your family, and even your neighbours to hang out all day long in our 10 incredible zones.
Introducing the Celebration Zone, with performances from local and international artists.
Join the Family Zone and learn more about God through all age performances, face paints, games, and so much more.
Explore the Maker's Market, watch live performances, and be inspired by installations, all in the Creative Zone.
And exclusively for over 12s, the Youth Zone. Have fun, win prizes and competitions and activities.
Take on a challenge in the Activity Zone with amazing free instructor-led activities for children and adults.
Invest in yourself in the Mission Zone with free resources and engaging workshops to help anyone build their confidence in sharing faith.
Invest in our region with a brand new prayer zone filled with interactive prayer stations. Or if you or someone you care for needs a restful place, check out the Wellbeing Zone.
Find out more about the organisations in our area and grab some delicious food, whichever zone is your favourite. Remember, we're all together at Himley Park on the 14th of June 2025.
Are you ready to take that next step in your walk with Jesus? Well, maybe baptism is for you, and we've got our next baptism service happening on the 18th of May. So this is your warning for when that is happening, and we'd love to speak with you and journey with you on that. So if you want, you can sign up today, or you can speak to one of our team to get a bit more information first.
The Easter holidays are coming to a close, which means that our youth and kids activities are all coming back this week, and our kids ministry has a brand new theme, which is the Wild Wild West. So you're going to love that one, kids, so stay tuned for more updates on that. This week on Wednesday night is Leadership Development Night, which is a space where we're having our guest speaker Naomi Murphy join us from Bedworth Church. She's going to be doing some leadership development training with us. So if you're a young adult, if you are young in ministry and you are growing in your leadership, then make sure that you turn up to that evening. It's going to be a great evening for us all, so we can't wait to see you there for that. That's all for XL News, guys. Have a great week.